I wanted to discuss another very important topic. How we can be part of the game always, right? Initially, when we start trading, right, maybe if we forget to uh, key important thing like PPD, we can say, like practice, patience, and discipline. Uh, when I started my trading, I was like the same, and when I used to enter into trade, I was always thinking big, but ultimately, it's not the game of big, because whenever I made big, another day or maybe in another trade, I have made big uh, loss as well, because I was not even aware the importance of the risk and reward. But gradually, when I was keep trading, and when I realized that okay, I need to work on my risk and reward, and that is the most important part of the trading, right? If anybody, if no if you are not following the risk and reward properly, then I can bet that you are not going to make the money, right? So you can I just wanted to show the calculation. It's just a mathematical thing, but it will make a lot, right? And you will understand how you can, if you can bring this in your trading, right? And the three important point, like practice, patience, and discipline. These three things, if you always keep it in front of you in written, that okay, you're not going to break your rule, and you're only going to practice 1:2. I can bet that okay, even if you achieve 33% in 1 month, then also you're not going to lose anything, right? I'm not talking about the brokerage, but in gross, you are not going to lose anything, right? So if I'm saying that if you are only correct 33%, then also you are not losing. But if you are correct uh, more than 33%, then of course you are bringing money at home, right? So it is very important to maintain the risk and reward. Let's say if we are losing one, then we should always try to get two, right? And if we targeting, and then another target should be that we need to reach at least 50%. Okay, so I would like to say that here the my our target should be at least 50% time we should be correct, right? Whenever we are taking trade, uh, the probability, it should be in our favor at least 50%. Okay, so let's say if we are correct 50%, or 50%, then also how much money we can take it, bring it home. So all those things we will see here, how we can grow our account, right? And how we can bring money at home. So currently, let's say I can start with here. I can show you everything now. I can make it profit, and then I can show you. Okay, so let me explain here. So this is number of trade, I have put it here, right? Total trade. This is profit and loss, and here you can see the all. Now now all are green. Green means that everywhere we have a profit. Here it is a lot, so I've assumed two lots in each trade, let's say. And let's say my first trade goes good, I made 200k. Then second trade loss, then okay, I continuously, okay, yeah, I've incurred loss, right? And then profit, then loss, then loss, then loss. Even if you say, right, 40% time if you made losses, right, out of 15 trade, if you made 9 trade, close 9 trade as a loss and 6 as a win, then also you are taking money at your home, right? Each month 300 pound, each month you are taking at your home. So almost 6 months data, you can say 1800 pounds. So it means that okay, so if you are correct, or you are your whatever trade you are taking based on whatever strategies, right, ensure that if you are correct 40% time and 40%, and your risk and reward you are following 1:2, then of course you are taking money at your home, at your home. And if you keep practicing this, right, and trying to increase month on month, right, or trying to better your probability of win, right, instead of 40%, right. If you will keep trying, you have keep working, keep as a target in front of you that your probability should increase, and you should target, right, at least 65% time you should be correct, and you should use those strategy which can give you P win percentage at least 65%. That should be the target, because 50% is something that is must, and 65% is if you are getting continuously, then you are a disciplined trader, right, and you are following the rule and with the 1:2 ratio. And I can say that okay, it's easy, but it need dedication, discipline, patience, and practice. Okay, if you are following all these four rules, then of course you are going to hit and you are going to become a successful trader. So I can show you here, right? Okay, let me put another loss here, like 33%. 33% you are not losing anything if you are following your risk and reward properly. You will be on break even. Okay, so but our target here not to be a break even, not to be at a loser side, right? We should be supposed to here to be a profitable, to become a profitable trader. So our target should be 65%. I don't want to be more optimistic, but I am targeting almost anything 60% to 65%. Okay. So my target should be 67%. So anything 65%, I'm okay. So this is what we should supposed to try. After that, okay, you can multiply the money by increasing the load if you are practicing the right risk and reward model, and you are in a discipline, you having the patience, you are taking only the probable trade, which can the most probable trade which can turn in your favor, which can hit your target. So that if you keep practicing this, of course I can bet on that's okay, you are going to take money at your home. So let's say instead of 2 lot, if you are increasing it by 5 lot, you can see the magic, right? So once you follow the process and bring this into your practice, that okay, you're not going to break the rule 1:2. If you are not getting 1:2, will not take the trade. That's very simple. Okay, so if let's say there is a setup which you like most, and it is based on your strategy, but you can see that okay, it is not going to give me 1:2, because maybe below there is just strong support, or maybe if upside trade, then above it's a strong resistance. So you are not getting the proper risk and reward. Avoid that trade to take, and let's not take the unnecessary trade which can give us loss only. So focus is 1:2. If trade would give me 1:2, then I will take it, otherwise I will not take it. So and the moment once I will become perfect, right, with my strategy, with my rules and everything, then I'll start increasing my lot size. And you can see, right, if as once you become the you know proficient, then you can increase your lot, and you can take the money, earn whatever money you want with the 1:2 ratio. And 1:2, once you practice, right, most of the time you can see that you are getting 1:3, 1:4, right? But in worst case scenario, 1:2 will be always there, right? So you should target 1:2. But if you see, right, there is continuation in the momentum, right, you can keep holding the trade and maximize your reward. So I think the risk and reward is the most important component of our trading, and we should be very careful about taking the trade. And other important thing is the practice, patience, and dedication, and discipline. So by putting all these things together, I think uh, you can become a profitable trader, right? But the risk and reward is the key to success. So I would suggest follow the rules, follow your strategy, but follow the risk and reward. Risk should be always lower than your reward. That is the mantra of success. So guys, For today, it's I think this is what came in my mind. I thought I should discuss, and I prepared this model. If you like it, then please click like and uh, share this video. Thank you for watching and supporting. Thank you very much.